Chinu makes a measuring bottle. Chinu, what are you doing? What is this?
Oh, Meenu, look here. I have some marbles with me. I want to play with them. Will you also play with me?
Yes, Chinu, I will also play with you. But first, tell me the story of the thirsty crow. You tell that story very well.
But Meenu, I have said this story so many times before.
It's okay, Chinu. Please tell it to us one more time. Even I like this story very much.
Oh, Buzz, even you are here now. Okay, fine. I will tell you the story of the thirsty crow. Listen carefully now. Once upon a time, there was a crow. One day it was feeling very thirsty. It looked for water everywhere. Finally, it saw a pot with water. But there was less water in the pot. Its beak could not reach the water. The crow was very clever. It went and picked some small stones in its beak. It dropped those stones into the pot. The water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily.
Chinu, the crow was really very clever. It knew that if it put stones in the water, the level of the water will come up.
Buzz, I told you that the crow was clever, not like you.
Meenu, when we drop small stones in water, does the level of the water really come up?
Yes, Buzz. Come, let's find out ourselves. Look at this glass. I have put some water in it. I have also marked the top surface of the water as 0. If I put 5 marbles inside the glass, what will happen to the surface of the water? Can you guess?
I think the level of the water will be till here. Shall we drop the marbles and see?
Oh, it is almost there. How did you guess it correctly, Chinu? Do you know the volume of marbles? Did you find its volume while playing with it?
Volume of the marbles? What does that mean? I only know how to play marbles with Chinu. How do you find out the volume of marbles?
Listen, Buzz. When we drop a marble in the water, it raises the level of the water a little bit. That is because it takes up a little space. This is called the volume of that marble.
Oh, now I understood. When the crow put the small stones in the pot, those stones took as much space in the water as was equal to their volume. That is why the level of the water came up in the pot.
You are right, Buzz. Chinu, can you guess something now? Can you tell me this? The volume of how many marbles will be equal to the volume of one lemon?
I think the volume of one lemon will be equal to the volume of 5 marbles.
No, Chinu. I think the volume of one lemon will be equal to that of 10 marbles.
Let us find out whose guess is right. Come, let's find out together.
For that, we have to make a measuring glass first.
Measuring glass? What is this new thing? How will you make it, Chinu?
Just watch me, Buzz. Look, I have taken a glass. I have put some water in it now. I have marked the top surface of the water as 0. Now I will put 5 marbles into it. Are you watching me carefully? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I have written 5 marbles on the top surface of the water. Now let me drop 5 more marbles in the glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 10 marbles inside the glass now. The water has risen up. I will now write 10 marbles on the top surface of the water. I will drop 5 more marbles in the glass and write 15 marbles on the new top surface of the water. Like this. I will mark 20, 25, 30 and 35 marbles. Look, my measuring glass is ready.
Chinu, this is really good. You are very intelligent.
Thank you, Buzz. Now, let us find the volume of a lemon with this glass.
We have to fill water till the 0 mark in this glass and drop the lemon in the glass. Let me drop the lemon in the water. Just watch where the surface of the water has risen up to.
The surface of the water is touching the 5 marbles mark.
It means that my guess was right. The volume of this one lemon is equal to that of 5 marbles.
Chinu, I have a doubt in my mind. I am going to ask a very intelligent question to you. Do you think that the volume of 10 5-rupee coins will be more than the volume of 10 marbles?
No, Buzz. I think that the volume of 10 5-rupee coins and that of 10 marbles will almost be the same. Look here. I have 10 5-rupee coins. I will put them inside the measuring glass and check.
Look here, Chinu. Your guess was right. The volume of these 10 coins is equal to the volume of 10 marbles. Come, Let us find out the volume of this ball.
I think that the volume of this ball will be equal to that of 30 marbles.
No, Chinu. It would be equal to the volume of only 20 marbles. Let us put this also in the measuring glass and check.
Let us drop it in the measuring glass and check. This time Buzz is right. The volume of the ball is equal to that of 20 marbles.
Meenu, see, even I am intelligent.
Buzz, stop buzzing near my ears now. If you are really intelligent, guess the volume of each one of these things. An eraser, a pencil, a potato, a matchbox, and this small stone.
Why not? I can do that. I think that the volume of an eraser would be as much as that of 5 marbles. A pencil would also be as much as that of 5 marbles. The volume of a potato would be as of 20 marbles. The volume of the small stone would be as much as that of 15 marbles, and that of the matchbox would be as much as that of 10 marbles.
Friends, let us see if Buzz has guessed it right or wrong. I will put all these things one at a time into the measuring glass and find their volume. I will also write their volumes in a table so that we can remember them.
On one side, I will write name of the thing. And on the other side, I will write volume, that is, number of marbles.
Eraser, five marbles, pencil, five marbles, Potato, $20 marbles. Small stone, $15 marbles. Matchbox, $10 marbles. Okay, Buzz, let me do it now. Look here. I have dropped the eraser in the measuring glass. Its volume is 5 marbles. Let's check the pencil's volume now. It is 5 marbles. It's the turn of the potato now. Volume of the potato is 20 marbles. Let's check the volume of the stone now. Its volume is 15 marbles. And now it is the turn of the matchbox. Ooh, the matchbox is floating in water.
Oh, look! The matchbox is floating in water. How do we find its volume then?
Come, let's fill it with sand and then check. Let me fill the matchbox now.
Look, Chinu. Now the matchbox has also sunk into the water. The volume of the matchbox is equal to 10 marbles.
Look here. I have filled the volume of all the things in this table. Friends, can you also guess the volume of anything you want to? Then you can find its volume by dropping it in the measuring glass that you have made. This way you can find out if your guess was right. Don't forget to fill the volume in a table.
Chinu, I am very hungry. Let's go inside the house now and eat something.
Okay, let's go inside now.
Chinu, Ma looks sad. What happened?
Ma, why are you sad? What happened?
Chinu, I went to the market to buy half a liter of oil. I feel that the shopkeeper has given me less oil. That's why I'm a little sad.
Ma, don't be sad. Why don't you measure the oil?
Oh, Buzz, I don't have a 500 milliliter measure cup with me.
No problem, Ma. I will solve your problem just now.
How will you do it, Chinu?
I will make a measuring bottle now.
Measuring bottle? Chinu, we have to find out the volume in milliliters. What kind of measuring bottle will you make?
It is very easy, Buzz. Just keep watching me. Look here. I have an injection syringe with me. It is very new and Dr. Auntie gave it to me. Don't get scared, Buzz. There's no needle in this. I will make my measuring bottle with the help of this syringe. I will fill up an empty bottle with this syringe. I will fill up 5 ml at a time. Then, at every 10 ml, I will make a mark on the bottle. Look, I have filled 5 ml in the injection syringe. To fill 10 ml in the bottle, I will have to fill up the bottle twice with this syringe. Let me fill it now. 1, 2.
Chinu, if someone does not have an injection syringe, how will they make a measuring bottle?
Buzz, I have a solution to this problem also. Look at the medicine bottle cap. It can hold 10 ml of anything. Many people will have this in their homes. Now, with the help of this cap, I will measure 10 ml and fill up the measuring bottle.
Oh, Meenu, this is great. It will make my work easier. If I use this 10 ml cap, I can fill up the measuring bottle faster than with the syringe. Please give it to me.
Okay, Chinu, take this. Now, fill up the bottle with this cap.
Okay, I have marked 10 ml in the measuring bottle. I will add one more cap of water into the measuring bottle to mark 20 ml. Look at me now. I have put 20 ml. Now 30 ml, 40 ml, 50 ml, 60 ml, 70 ml, 80 ml, 90 ml and 100 ml. It's ready. A measuring bottle to measure up to 100 ml is ready.
But Chinu, Ma wants to measure 500 milliliters of oil. How will we do that?
We can measure 500 ml of oil with the help of this 100 ml measuring bottle. Buzz, I will tell you how. If we fill this 100 ml bottle with oil 5 times, it will become 500 ml. Let's measure and check now. Buzz, you start counting, okay?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh no, it is the 5th time and the bottle is still not full.
You are right, Buzz. In the 5th time, the bottle is filled only up to the 50 ml mark.
So, Ma guessed it right. The oil is less. Come, let's go and tell the shopkeeper.
Uncle, you have given my mother less oil.
What are you telling, Chino? I measured 500 ml properly with this measure and gave it to your mother. Look, this is my 500 ml measure.
Uncle, your measure is not correct. Please use your 100 ml measure and fill this measure 5 times. Let us see if it is correct.
Why not? I will do it just now. You start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, and oh no, what is this? Look, the oil is less when Uncle filled it the 5th time. Chino, will you put this oil in your measuring bottle and check how much it is?
Uncle, you gave 50 milliliters less oil to my mother.
I am sorry, children. I made a mistake. My 500 ml measure itself is wrong. I did not know about that. Please take 50 ml more oil from me.
Chino, your measuring bottle is wonderful. Friends, you can also make a measuring bottle like Chino and measure the volume of anything in milliliters. It is very easy. Don't you think so?
Yes, friends, we can find out the volume of anything like rubber, marbles, stones, coins, etc. using a measuring bottle. You can very easily make a measuring bottle also. Look, I have some 5 rupee coins with me. Shall we see how many coins we need to push the water up by 10 ml?
Meenu, this is lots of fun. Let us find out now. Let me first fill some water in the measuring bottle. Now, let us find the top surface of the water. It is at 30 ml. Buzz, now you drop the coins into this. I will watch the surface of the water very carefully.
Okay, Chino, let me start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Buzz, stop! The water level has reached up to 40 ml now. It was 30 ml before. It means that the water level has gone up by 10 ml. So, 9 5 rupee coins can push the water up by 10 ml. Friends, You can also use 9 5 rupee coins to make your measuring bottle.
Friends, you saw Buzz drop in some 5 rupee coins inside the measuring bottle. Can you find out how many coins Buzz has to drop in if the level of the water has to rise by 30 ml? Can you also find out the number of coins needed to raise the water level by 60 ml?
Friends, will you use your measuring bottle to find out these? What will be the volume of 16 1 rupee coins? What will be the volume of 6 marbles? What will be the volume of 24 marbles? What will be the volume of 32 1 rupee coins? You can make a table in your notebook and write the answers in it after you find out the volume.
Friends, have you ever thought as to how much of water will come out when a big frog gets into the water? And how much of water will come out when you get into the water? Find out how heavy you are when compared with a frog. Just try and find out. Buzz has a weigh scale. He puts some things on both sides of the weigh scale. Can you tell which side of the weigh scale will go down every time? Marble, lemon. Which side will the weigh scale tilt? Right side. Chili, potato. Which side will the weigh scale tilt? Left side. Pen, book. Which side will the weigh scale tilt? Left side. Spoon, vessel. Which side will the weigh scale tilt? Right side. Neem leaf, pencil. Which side will the weigh scale tilt? Right side. Ruler, notebook. Which side will the weigh scale tilt? Right side. Paper, pencil sharpener. Which side will the weigh scale tilt? Left side. Empty teacup. Cup filled with tea. Which side will the weigh scale tilt? Right side. Rose flower. Cauliflower. Which side will the weigh scale tilt? Left side. A piece of chalk. Duster. Which side will the weigh scale tilt? Right side. Bird needs your help. Will you give your answers loudly so that bird can pick up the correct answer? A tea kettle has 500 ml of tea in it. If one cup can hold 100 ml of tea, how many cups will be required for this 500 ml of tea? (500 minus 100) is equal to 400 ml. (400 minus 100) is equal to 300 ml. (300 minus 100) is equal to 200 ml. (200 minus 100) is equal to 100 ml. (100 minus 100) is equal to 0 ml. 5 cups. If there are a total of 6 cups, how many cups will remain empty? One cup. The milkman comes to Meenu's house to give milk. He has a 500 ml measuring container with him. If Meenu wants to buy 2 liters of milk, how many times will the milkman use his container? 4 times. In a day, Chino drinks 2 cups of tea, 2 glasses of milk, and 2 bottles of water. Can you now tell how much tea does he drink in a day? (200 ml). How much milk does he drink in a day? (400 ml). How much water does he drink? (2 liters). A water bottle can hold 2 liters of water and a glass can hold 200 ml of water. Can you tell how many glasses of water should be used to fill up the water bottle? (10 glasses of water). Water in the bottle is equal to 2 liters, which is 2000 ml. Water in the glass is equal to 200 ml. Number of glasses to be used is equal to 2000 divided by 200. Is equal to 10 glasses. So, 10 glasses of water should be used to fill up the water bottle. Can you see a box here? The length of this box is 10 centimeters, its breadth is 6 centimeters, and height is 5 centimeters. How many toffees of 1 cube centimeters, that is 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, and 1 centimeter height can be kept inside this box? We can keep 10 toffees lengthwise, 6 breadthwise, and 5 heightwise. This way, we can keep 10 into 6 into 5 is equal to 300. Toffees. Now, can you tell how many toffees of 1 cube centimeter can be kept in a cubical box measuring 5 centimeters on all sides? We can keep 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to
125. 125 toffees. Shall we help Buzz pick the correct measure for the pictures? Highest measure. Highest measure. Lowest measure. Lowest measure. 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 How many liters of liquid
will come in this?
5 liters. 1 liter. 'How many liters of liquid
will come in this?
1 liter. 5 liters. 'How many liters of liquid
will come in this?
5 liters, 5 liters, how many liters of liquid
will come in this?
One liter, five liters, how many liters of liquid
Will come in this?
five liters, one liter, how many liters of liquid
Will come in this?
one liter, five liters, let us now help Butterfly pick up the correct answer.
We measure weight using a weigh scale, we measure volume using
measuring container. If one drop of medicine that comes from a dropper is 1 ml, what will be the measure of 10 drops? 10 ml or 20 ml or 5 ml or 50 ml? Ten ml, Meenu applies 5 ml of oil in her hair every day. For how many days will she be able to use her bottle of oil that measures 100 ml? 10 days or 5 days or 20 days or 30 days? "20 days, Grandma puts 1 drop of medicine in each of her eyes twice a day. If each drop is 1 ml, for how many days can she use a medicine bottle that measures 20 ml? 4 days or 5 days or 10 days or 20 days? 5 days, 5 days. If the weight of a lemon is 50 grams, how many lemons will you get when you buy 250 grams of lemons? 2 or 4 or 5 or 6? 5, 5. What will be the volume of this geometry box? 4 into 2 into 10 cube centimeters, or 10 into 2 into 2 cube centimeters, Four into 2 into 10 cube centimeters, Four into 2 into 10 is equal to 80 cube centimeters.